Hey everyone, welcome back. When I was in my early 20s, I made one of the most expensive financial mistakes of my life buying my first car. That single decision ended up costing me over $25,000. Today I'm sharing exactly what I did wrong, the real numbers behind it, and the hard lessons I learned so you don't make the same mistake. If you're thinking about buying your first car or already have payments, this video could save you thousands. Let's talk about it. Why this mistake was so costly. I had just started my first real job and felt like it was time to upgrade my image. I walked into a dealership, fell in love with a shiny new model, and signed the papers without doing enough research. What seemed like a simple purchase turned into a multi-year financial burden. Between rapid depreciation, high interest, expensive insurance, and maintenance, the total cost exceeded $25,000 over 5 years. It delayed my savings goals and taught me expensive lessons about lifestyle decisions. The full story, what I did wrong. I financed a brand new car for around $28,000 with a long 6-year loan because my credit wasn't strong yet. The monthly payment was over $500. Within the first year, the car lost nearly 25% of its value the moment I drove it off the lot. By year 3, it was worth far less than what I still owed. I was upside down on the loan for a long time. Insurance for a young driver on a new car was brutal, over $2,000 a year. Then came repairs, tires, and higher fuel costs. The opportunity cost was huge too. That money could have gone into savings or investments instead of a depreciating asset. Breakdown of the $25,000 plus total cost. Depreciation, $12,000. Interest paid on the loan, $6,500. Insurance and maintenance, $4,000. Lost investment growth, $3,000 plus. It was a perfect storm of bad decisions that many people in their 20s still make. Here are the most important lessons I learned the hard way. The 7 key lessons: never do these. Lesson 1: never finance a new car if you can avoid it. New cars lose value fastest in the first few years. Buy a reliable used car instead and pay cash, or keep any loan very short. Lesson 2: always calculate total cost of ownership. Look beyond the monthly payment. Factor in insurance, fuel, maintenance, and depreciation before signing anything. Lesson 3: don't let ego or image drive the decision. I wanted to look successful. That ego cost me dearly. Buy what you need, not what impresses others. Lesson 4: shop around and negotiate aggressively. I accepted the first offer. Get multiple quotes, research fair prices, and negotiate every part of the deal. Lesson 5: improve your credit score first. Better credit means much lower interest rates. Wait and build your score if necessary. Lesson 6: consider certified pre-owned or reliable used options. Many great cars are available with lower risk and better value. Lesson 7: build an emergency fund before big purchases. Unexpected repairs hit much harder when you're already stretched thin on payments. These lessons completely changed how I approach big purchases today. Action steps you can take right now. If you're in the market for a car soon, do this. 1. Set a strict maximum budget that includes all ownership costs. 2. Get pre-approved for financing before visiting dealerships. 3. Research reliable models and test drive multiple options. 4. Negotiate hard and walk away if the deal isn't right. 5. Consider paying cash for a good used car when possible. You don't need a fancy car to be successful. Smart choices in your 20s create real financial freedom later. What was your first car mistake or best decision? Or what are you considering buying now? Share in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you avoid an expensive mistake, like it, subscribe for more real-life money lessons, and turn on notifications. Useful car buying resources and checklists are in the description. Thanks for watching. Make smarter choices than I did. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.